The devastating terror attack in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir on April 22, which killed 26 civilians, has drastically altered India-Pakistan relations. In immediate retaliation, India revoked all visas issued to Pakistan nationals, setting April 29, 2025 as the deadline for their departure. As the cutoff nears, serious legal consequences await Pakistanis who remain in India beyond this date under the new Immigration and Foreigners Act 2025. Enacted earlier this month, the Immigration and Foreigners Act 2025 replaces several fragmented colonial-era laws to create a unified immigration system. Under these provisions, any Pakistani national who stays beyond their visa validity may face up to 3 years of imprisonment, a fine up to 3 lakhs, or both. Immigration authorities are empowered to arrest violators without a warrant, allowing for swift action against overstaying foreigners. Institutions such as hospitals, universities, and hotels are legally bound to report the presence of foreign nationals to the authorities. This updated law reflects India's stronger stance on national security post-Pahalgam. The fallout from Pahalgam tragedy has seen India initiate a series of decisive actions against Pakistan. All visas issued to Pakistani citizens, including those for medical, educational, and cultural purposes, have been annulled. Only medical visa holders have been given a short grace period until April 29 to leave their Indian territory. India has shut down the Wagha-Attari border, its sole road connection with Pakistan, suspending all passenger movement indefinitely. In an unprecedented move, India expelled Pakistani military advisors and suspended the Indus Water Treaty, a critical 1960 agreement that regulates water sharing between the two countries. These actions reflect India's determination to apply diplomatic, economic, and social pressure following the Pahalgam attack. Beyond the immediate political reformations, the crisis has unleashed deep humanitarian concerns. Several Pakistani children visiting relatives in India are now stranded, facing the heartbreaking prospect of leaving India without their Indian mothers. The closure of the Wagha-Attari crossing also disrupts Sikh pilgrims from India who traditionally visit Pakistan's religious sites, serving an important cultural bridge. Pakistani nationals currently in India, students, patients, artists, and tourists, now face anxiety, confusion, and legal uncertainty about their immediate futures. The tension highlights the human cost of deteriorating bilateral relations. With the visa expiration deadline imminent, Pakistani citizens must immediately exit India or risk facing arrest, trial, and heavy penalties under the new immigration framework. Indian authorities have also made it clear that non-compliance will be treated as a serious offense without room for leniency. Meanwhile, regional and global players are watching the developments closely, fearing further escalations between the two nuclear-armed neighbors already teetering on the brink. The coming days will be critical, not just for the Pakistani nationals still in India, but also for the fragile stability of the entire South Asia region.